Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a very simple festival look. This look I did it for my Karwa Chauth. I hope you'll like it. So let's get started. So in this makeup tutorial I won't be using any fancy products. So this is the lipstick which I have used. I have applied in all the areas where I have pigmentation or I have darkness. So I have just applied lipstick and then I've blended that product with brush. If you don't have brush you can also use fingers. Then after that I have used concealer wherever I have applied lipstick, and again I'm just blending out with a brush. Once the blending is done, then I will apply foundation. You can apply any foundation of your choice. Here and I have applied Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm blending this product using this angular brush. All the products used in this video are drugstore products and are very easily available. Once I've done the blending, I am applying the concealer, and this concealer is very close to my skin shade, and I'm applying it on my T-zone area and the places where I want to do little bit of highlighting. So since it's a very natural makeup, so I'm not using very light shade concealer. This is a little bit dark shade concealer, and I'm just blending the product using a fluffy brush. This is a Real Technique brush I'm using to blend the product. After this point you can also use a beauty blender to blend out your whole face, but since I have practice I don't usually use beauty blender. So now I'm using a contour. This I will be applying in the places where I want to create little bit of shadow or I want to cut little bit of fat in the face. So apparently first I will apply in a small brush, then I will take this big fluffy brush. All the harsh lines are not seen and it looks very blended. If you ask me, this is a very important part for any woman to contour the face. After I've done the contouring, I will be applying little bit of loose powder, mostly in the areas where there is a lot of creasing. For me it is under the eyes, and I will set the foundation again, but I won't be applying a lot of product. I'll be applying little bit of product under my eyes and around my face. And now I'm using blush. You can be very generous while using blush because it's a festival and it's a festival look. You can apply a lot of blush. So now let's come to the eye makeup. I am doing a very easy eye makeup here with very basic colors. So now I have applied little bit of concealer on my eyelid. I won't be applying any loose powder. You should also not apply any loose powder or foundation powder. Then using a big fluffy brush, I'm just applying maroon color on my outer corner of my eyes and then bringing the color towards my inner corner of my eyes, and slowly I'll just intensify the color. After I've applied the color, then I've taken a clean fluffy brush and I'm blending out the outer edges of the maroon color. Then I've taken this pencil brush and I'm just applying it on my outer corner of my eyes. You can see that, so that it becomes a little bit of dark, and I have used a dark brown color and a black color, mix of this two color, and I've just placed it in my outer corner of outer corner of my eyes in a V shape. And now again I'm blending it. The all the game of eyeshadow blending is lies on how smoothly you can blend and how smooth are your edges. So apparently I work on that. So once I have done, I have got the desired blending. So now I will do the cut crease, and this is a very easy method I'll be telling you of doing cut crease. If you want to master blending, you should have a lot of clean brushes, small fluffy brush, so that you can clean your edges every time. You can see how I have smoothed out the edges. Now I've taken a flat brush and I've taken a little bit of micellar water, and I have done this cut You can see this is a very easy method. And after that I have just wiped it out, the area where I want to do cut crease. Then I am applying this concealer on that area. After I have applied concealer, then I will place any shimmer color or any light color to this maroon color. Then your cut crease eye look will be completed. In this eye look I'll be using a little bit of champagne color, little bit of light pink color. This is up to your choice, like what all colors you want to use, but make sure you use colors which is lighter to the maroon shade, whatever shade you have used as a transition color. Once I've done so, I am applying kajal and I'm applying little bit of liner. To complete the eye look, I am applying little bit of highlighter, and pretty much my eye look is completed. You can also add lashes. If you don't have, you can also use mascara. For this look I am not using any kind of lashes. And this is my outfit and this is my jewelry. This was my Karwa Chauth outfit. I hope you loved this video. It was a very simple eye look, though I do a lot of SFX and face painting, but I started doing makeup like 4 years back like this, and this is a very nice and natural looking makeup. Thank you for watching.